Welcome. If you wanna change keyboard theme in your OPPO A31, for the first we have to enter the settings, scroll down, and we have to click on the additional settings, tap on the keyboard and input method. Right now we have to tap on the Gboard, and here we have to go to the theme and tap on the show more to get more of these themes, and I will probably go with maybe this one. Tap on the apply, and right now when we are going to the messages, when we can use the keyboard, you will see that our theme has changed. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.